So a year ago we watched Lyle Lyle, and now I've got something to bring it all together.
No,
You have to.
No.
Concern.
Oh God.
No,
Three
not the wheel.
Stooges.
Yes, we introduced the wheel.
No, please, God. If it is,
You know what? I'm not that mad at any of these.
Adventure.
please.
I'm not
oh,
mad
but
like I was with Lyle.
Yeah,
all of these are bad.
exactly. I have perfect.
April Fool's video.
This is Happy
Oh
April
wait,
Fools.
cats? I thought that said cars. Oh wait, fuck no.
Happy anniversary, everybody.
If it's cats, I'm leaving.
It's gonna be
I
cats.
swear to God.
I know it's gonna be cats in my heart.
So this wheel
I thought
was
it was gonna be the Eras tour.
purposely crafted this wheel to be a movie each of you don't want to watch.
Which is the one I don't want to
I
watch.
picked Cats 2019 for Phil.
Oh God.
I picked X-Men Dark Phoenix for Taylor. I
haven't seen Dark Phoenix.
Yeah, but you're the X-Men girly. You and Morgan.
That's
so it's
Morgan.
kind of a twofer.
Morgan's the X-Men girly.
What do you mean? We've got the Clone Wars movie for myself. And then we've got A Turtle's Tale. That's the thing when you search movie turtle, that's Morgan's.
But I do want to watch that.
No. And then we
I think
have
Turtle's Tale is like the only one I think I'm okay with.
And then we've got the Three Stooges 2012 because I know it'll kill Natalie.
Uh,
Why would you do this?
Happy April Fools,
I know it's gonna be cats
everybody.
in my heart.
I'm sorry, Phil.
No, you're not.
I'm not.
You're not.
It's gonna be cats.
Oh God,
no.
my chest hurts.
We're giving her heartburn.
Oh! Oh,
It's almost like I knew it.
no. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Well,
Well,
Taylor
Taylor
Swift
Swift
is
is in this.
yeah,
so
there you go. A Taylor Swift movie.
Oh my
Yeah, I
God.
knew that one. I knew that one.
Oh my God.
Why are you applauding, Natalie?
Phil's gone,
Phil
by
had
the way.
to leave the room. He's gone.
Oh, he's back. Everybody
Alright, let's
gets
do
one.
this.
I also, maybe now's a good time to tell y'all, I had an alternate version of the wheel.
Okay,
Oh
can we
God.
see what it is?
That was the Forgotten 2010s.
Oh,
And it was,
the Lone Ranger.
yeah.
Oh,
This would've been fun.
Oh,
This would have been good.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Let's see what it would have landed
this
on.
is better. Yeah,
We just,
actually.
you just want to know, somewhere in the
Yeah.
multiverse, what other Taylor is watching?
We want an excuse to hate you more.
Oh, you're fucking me.
Oh.
You're fucking me right now, right?
I'm not.
Oh.
Oh,
my
my god.
So you're actually going to hell.
Oh.
Like it's like official now.
Well, there is a third option.
Oh my
Third?
god.
Why do you have so many?
We've done both wheels now.
Oh no.
We can leave it up to fate.
Oh, I know my luck.
The-
Give this to me.
It's gonna be cats again, isn't it? It is.
It is.
Oh, it's a 50-50 shot. Oh.
Yeah. I am never wrong. I'm never wrong.
I wish you were.
All right, cats it is. Yay!
I don't have enough sangria for this. I'm
Bottom.
almost out.
Start chugging.
Oh, I am.
They're also tiny. I don't know if you know that, Natalie.
Oh.
Daddy looks like she's about to cry.
I didn't. I don't know what I expected.
Oh,
Oh.
God, I want to live in the universe where they just dress them up like the Broadway musical.
Surely it would have been cheaper.
The universe where it
Or
was
if it was
supposed
just
to.
animated.
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah, or just
Yeah.
fucking animated.
Yeah, because the 90s Spielberg one was going to be basically just the Aristocats.
Oh.
It's their bald heads and huge foreheads that are throwing me off.
Every time the ears move, I want to die.
Are you keen to be seen when you're smelling the rat? Were you there when the pharaohs commissioned the Sphinx?
So, like, how long does this go?
There's like a song every 20 seconds. You do not get dialogue. I hope you're ready for that.
Oh no.
The proportions are like too human, I think.
Yeah. It's real fur technology. Groundbreaking.
Oh my god, I forgot when they
Is
were
it?
when they were promoting it, they're like, "Oh, look at the technology." Like the shit was
technology looks
Avatar.
bad.
James Cameron is quaking.
An hour and 40 minutes of this. Thank you, Connor. Everyone say thank you, Connor.
Thank you, Connor.
This is not my fault. Blame the universe.
What?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you not know?
You didn't see him on the IMDb? Idris did not need to do any of this. He's not down bad enough to do this.
He did Knuckles after this. What a career trajectory,
Yeah.
honestly.
This
What a
probably
guy.
caused him to go to Knuckles. He said, I gotta do some voice acting or something.
Yeah, I gotta hide for a little bit.
What is a Jellicle?
Don't expect this movie to tell
I'm
you.
gonna Google it right now.
Mean?
I'm Googling it.
It's just where they are. And I just...
No.
It's just the name of the fictional cats
Okay.
here.
Okay.
And see, he looks slightly better because he's not naked and he has a hat on.
Yeah, they
Oh,
look
just-
better with clothes.
Just you wait.
Yeah, I know he will get naked, for sure.
Of cats is a difficult matter.
Oh, why does he just have like human hands?
They have human hands and feet. That's why I'm so uncomfortable.
See, I didn't notice until I saw him gripping the bar that they're just fingers.
It was the way you said "ew." That genuine disgust in your voice. I can't believe you're making.
There's nothing we can even say.
Right, I was gonna say this is very uneventful.
It's just bad. It's not funny bad. It's just bad.
I tried to tell you.
Connor, have you seen this before?
No, no man.
We love a silly little guy.
At least he's wearing an item of clothing.
Yes.
One singular item of clothing.
Looks better than
That's all they
none.
need, really. Just a top. They can Winnie the
Just-
Pooh it.
Not the Winnie the Pooh.
Give them all a vest. Anything.
I have a Gumby cat in mind. Her name is Jenny.
Oh.
Oh, Lord.
Did you forget about Rebel Wilson?
No, I asked if she was in it earlier.
Oh no.
The Queen.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What in the fuck?
Oh! Where's their real fur technology?
Oh my god.
They somehow look better than the cats. Because it's a costume, and you can see that it's a costume.
There you go. She's
Whoa.
wearing clothes.
And she looks better
Ready
already.
to play. TBH. I need to know how many drugs Andrew Lloyd Webber was on when he wrote these things. I know there's a train musical too that he did.
Yeah, Starlight
Express.
Hmm.
There's roller skates in it. That's fun.
Yeah.
'Cause they're trains.
There he is.
With the cockroaches dancing.
Who, Andrew Lloyd Webber? Oh no! Oh, no!
Jason Derulo.
It's not. Ew. Alright. Yeah, that's it. I'm clocking out.
Go back here.
Alright, see ya.
Come on, people. We survived Lyle Crocodile.
At least that had a
That
plot.
was.
Lyle had a plot. And Lyle didn't have the proportions of a human man. Natalie, you're safe.
Hey, Phil, you didn't want to warn me about that? You fake bitch!
I saw this movie like 5 years ago. You think I remember?
I don't support animal abuse, but I see these cats and I'm swinging.
Like Taylor said,
like?
I thought it would at least have a plot. That something would happen.
That's the most famous thing about Cats is that it doesn't. It's based on poems.
They just go to a new cat and start singing.
Yes.
Remark the cat.
Thank you for wearing clothing.
That's why they all hate. Yeah.
You see the border of her
You put it up the.
Checking the time.
But it's a long ass movie.
It's like an hour and 49.
It's crazy.
It's the concerned look on everyone's face.
That's it.
Morgan and Taylor like frowning.
Don't do my girl Grisabella like that. And you know what? I like her because she's wearing a coat.
They basically don't like her because she's old.
Oh.
They're ageist.
Oh, no!
Oh my god, it's Jimmy Kimmel.
complete nut
I'm
of bust.
Buster Jones. I'm not skin and bones. In fact, I'm remarkably fat. I don't
Yes.
That face should be on a poster.
Oh, that's fucked up. Alright. I thought he was gonna make a missing poster of her. That's why.
Wilson!
Dusted her like Thanos.
Oh, they took his clothes!
seen troops.
Oh.
Oh, he didn't even chew that. That's fucking disgusting.
I can do that too. He ain't special.
Oh, word? Let's see it.
Come here, Phil.
Oh, no one's gonna say anything to that.
That's what I say to you. Okay, now listen. You never get
They're
me
all
there.
too into the
So let's
movie
step
right
up a few
now.
more of the-
This movie.
This is just how he treats his staff.
Still not listening to us.
See?
This movie has deep fried their brains.
What's happening? I wasn't paying attention. I'm zoning out.
Mungo Jerry,
And Rumple Teaser.
we're a notorious couple of cats as knockabout clowns.
Quick change comedians.
Tight rope walkers.
Actually, this is Taylor, Natalie.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Girls,
Suddenly Mrs. Her Woolworth pearls. The family will say.
it's that horrible cat.
Why do they want pearls? They're cats. What value does that have to them? They're all naked.
It makes me look good.
Well, fair enough.
They're cat burglars.
Ah.
Regular occupation.
We are plausible fellows who like to engage a friendly police.
That was kind of sweet. I'm not gonna lie. Some of the choreography.
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're alive.
Oh,
On a barge in the middle of the Thames. What are you doing?
so he just has magic teleportation powers.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's no way.
I wish I could leave a room like that, actually.
I truly am sorry, everyone.
I don't forgive you, so I don't know why you're apologizing, because it doesn't matter.
I thought it was.
Your sins will be seen by all, and you're going to hell.
I thought it would be silly.
Jellicle cats meet once a year on the night we make the Jellicle choice.
Judy said I am not singing. Speak my part. Here you go, it's Magneto.
My God. Sir Ian
It's been
McKellen,
mentioned.
why are
Yeah.
you here?
For the love of God.
Why is he here?
I truly do want to know how they got him and Judi Dench to.
I think it's just the name. That, like, Cats is, like, one of the most famous Broadway musicals of all time. So, and they're classically trained actors. So they're like, there's no way this could be bad.
Yeah.
Ah.
What? What was the?
The moon lining up with the window.
She said, not understanding a thing that's happening in front of her.
Yeah, genuinely.
Where's Taylor Swift?
She
I have
is
a feeling
not a
she's
big
coming
part of this
soon.
movie. I want you to know that.
I do love a dance break.
They're gonna hate crime her.
No.
Y'all don't let her party. And see, the dance would be cooler if they didn't look like this.
Yeah. It's the one
Go, like,
TikTok
go, go.
audio. It's the when you're thrown in the dance circle and only know.
Yeah. Fucking dance off arc in this movie.
Dance off to see who goes to heaven.
Basically, yeah, they're like, pick me, I want to die.
Pick me, please.
It's like I'm on Broadway.
Is it?
Yeah, exactly the same experience.
Silence. Not a sound from the
You know, it's
past.
It's
famous
another Evil
song.
Wimpy Kid song.
Famous one.
He's so serious.
Catch me, it's so easy to leave me. All alone with the memory. And soon it will be mine.
They should have put you in a better movie.
I was about to say, one of the few good things about this movie, Jennifer Hudson.
Alright, get up and belt it.
That's the reprise. That's not until later.
Oh, never mind. Not until later. Oh god, there is a later. Fuck.
Who's gonna tell her?
Move that mouse. Let's see it.
I can't ruin the surprise.
Oh,
God!
Why are we suffering so slow?
I
shit.
didn't.
Not even halfway through.
It's an hour and like 50.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
I thought we were further along.
You did this to us.
What if we just
You did
stopped?
this to
What
us.
if we
We just stopped.
No, because now I gotta see T Swift.
We tried to watch Cats.
Yeah.
This is her song.
2019.
We tried. That's a good one.
Born into nothing. With them I have something.
Oh God.
Yeah, that
Something
sure.
to
That really
cling
was a.
to.
Where are the human
was a
beings on
line.
the street?
She did not put her Tay Lucy into this song. Wearing my 1989 fit for nothing.
Did you actually come dressed ready?
Yes.
Oh, baby girl.
She truly thought it was gonna be the Eras tour.
I picked 1989 because it matches my nail color right now. It's not even my favorite album. My
Guys,
favorite
we're
album
that's
is
the most
Speak
tragic thing I've
Now.
ever heard in my life. Friggin'.
Oh my goodness.
Give her Swift.
I'm a magic cat, you see.
I love Ian McKellen.
Why are you running, Natalie?
I want him to be my grandfather.
He's a little magic man.
Do you think, like, on the set of The Hobbit, he cried on this
He
set?
broke down crying on the blue screen in the motion cap suit.
He put on the
They were
cat
like,
ears
"And
while
here's
sobbing.
your tail," and he was like, and I would too.
I mean, I think they're all on set. To be fair, they just
Yeah.
look
Nice.
fucking stupid.
Oh no, yeah,
I
they
think it
built
literally
like
is just,
actual
like-
sets.
Yeah.
That's what's crazy about it. Isn't it?
That's I think the
It's-
one good thing about this movie. These sets look really fucking cool.
Oh. Why'd she open
Oh,
her?
word? You wouldn't?
Huh?
No,
Now hear me out.
don't.
I will not.
To see fire.
No, get out of there, buddy.
It
No.
was truly inspirational and scary. McCavity!
I need you to start leaving a room like that, Phil.
Yeah.
It's announcing your name.
Philip one out.
The thimble, he must find him or the train can't start. All the guards and all the porters and the station.
See, I don't think the music's bad. I think the sets are really good. They just look
It's
so
just the-
stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's the
cannot get past
titular, the titular cats that suck.
We're off at last for the northern part of the northern hemisphere.
You don't know the meme?
There's
I
a
know.
tap number.
It's
Tab
a
number.
yeah. I love me a good tab number.
Oh my god.
He's about to start doing a train. Wait.
Huh? Boss.
Pause, yeah, pause, please.
I'm a cat that cannot be ignored.
Getting into it a little bit.
Yeah. No, Taylor, don't let him gaslight you.
Why does he want to go to heaven if he has such a cool life?
Hey, why are we flying?
Oh no.
Okay.
Because look who's here.
Uh,
He's here.
I feel it in my plums. He's naked.
I will neither confirm nor deny.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's Taylor Swift.
Yup. He does not even sing his own song.
He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying
So this is why we don't talk about this era.
That moon thing she's sitting on looks comfy as fuck, though.
Yeah.
God.
No, they're
Why you
on
drugging all the cats,
drugs!
dude?
This is why she had to do the Eras tour. I gotta right the world.
I know the whole time she was doing this, she felt like she was eating, though.
I mean, a little bit. I like the song.
Yeah.
I know. He cheats at cards. And his footprint.
Natalie, it's alright.
The Napoleon of crime.
No! I knew it!
His clothes back on!
Oh, he's just out here.
Why'd they take his clothes off like this for the musical number?
He can't go to heaven in clothes.
Yes, we can!
Nuh-uh. You ever been raptured?
I know you haven't.
Fair enough. That was a good one.
She got you good.
As I am the only contestant left. And quite obviously the best.
Please put
Can
your
she
jacket
send him
back
to
on.
hell instead?
You know the theory of like CGI looks better in the dark? Him being fully lit right now is not helping.
I judge a cat by its soul. He's got soul.
I've got plenty of soul.
You're a cheat, McCavity.
Are they putting a British accent on her?
He killed her.
He killed God!
Where is she?
Beat the ass!
Where is she? We didn't know he was going to take old Duke.
Oh, dude.
Old dude.
We are 5 years old.
You're a magician.
Pull her out of a hat.
The cat in the background that's trying to pull it out of a hat.
Me.
I can walk on the narrowest rail. I can pick any card from a pack.
Are they really about to pull her from this hat?
I'm
She'll freak out. But that would also be the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
And we all say, oh, well, I never was there ever.
Do you recognize it?
Yeah, I'm aware of this one.
I'm pretty sure it was a TikTok audio, so yeah.
Oh, well, I never was there ever. A cat so clever as magical Mr.
Is his magic wand a pencil? Am I just now noticing?
I don't know. I wasn't looking.
It is a pen pencil. Try holding it the other way, King.
I'm over here, guys.
What the fuck are you guys doing?
He tries so hard.
Oh, well, I never.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
I knew it. I felt it in my plums.
A cat so clever.
What about everybody else? Everybody else
Yeah.
still on the boat?
We can
Everybody
leave
else
James
isn't
Corden
God.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
He thought he got poofed.
No, not that he got pooped. It was just what?
Whoa!
What?
They're just nuzzling.
Oh, shut up! Yes!
Yeah! Let's go, King! Yeah, start
Screamed
singing.
his name.
Love that for him.
Is it time?
What?
It might be.
Is it time?
Natalie's been waiting on this the whole movie.
Give me that
This
good
is
old
all I
song.
cared about.
Why? She didn't do nothing. She didn't even help resummon God.
She would have got her
Because they
ass
all
beat.
hate her. Yeah, they all hate her. They don't
They all
want her
would've dumped
there.
her, dude.
Sing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's fucking hear it. She's really good.
Shut the fuck up.
I remember the time I knew what happiness was.
Me too, Queen.
I knew you were gonna say something.
How long ago did the movie start?
Damn, maybe we shouldn't have been so mean to her.
Man, they're all switching up. Like they weren't
To the
kissing at
poor
her a
old
second
woman.
ago.
We gotta put her down. Send her to heaven.
Put her down.
Not what they're about to do.
Government assigned euthanization.
Take her to the big vet's office in the sky.
Oh no! Alright, right. Oh my goodness.
Wait.
He's so serious.
Exactly. Taylor's on to something.
Oh!
Oh.
No, she just looks at her.
Like that's
Nah.
cool, but we still don't like poor people.
I mean, you ain't gonna send the guy who saved you to heaven?
He'll get his chance eventually.
He's still young.
Yeah.
He might
What if that
save
happens
more
again? I'm
people.
gonna need him.
He ain't never going to heaven.
Exactly.
A surprise tool that will help us later.
Mr. Mistopheles, we need you to distract Kang.
No.
You are the Jellicle choice.
Ah.
Woo! Yeah, let's go!
Rah!
Goodbye, mother.
When you want me, but no longer need me. Y'all fake as fuck.
Wait, here.
Y'all hated her 10 minutes ago.
And now they're just killing her. So they're really happy. Sacrifice.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Hey, where's that going?
Goodbye to heaven.
To heaven.
It's a long fall, buddy.
R.I.P.
R.I.P.
Yeah, it happened. Ooh! I thought he was about to be impaled on something.
Yeah.
I wish.
Goodbye, Grisabella.
Imagine there's like
What?
5 more songs.
What are you
Yes.
giggling about? Oh, yeah.
Is she looking at me now?
Don't look at me.
Yeah.
Yep. She's breaking the fourth wall because she's God.
You better be
And
paying
she's telling-
attention.
So first, your memory I'll jog
Don't.
and say a cat,
I'd prefer if you didn't.
a dog.
Okay.
That was deep.
That was it.
She's spitting right now.
With cats.
Oh my god, she's talking to us again.
Yeah, this
How
goes
long
on for
does
like
this-
a while.
I only saw the cat is not a dog bit. I didn't know it.
No, this
keeps-
goes on for quite a minute. It's
You guys taking notes?
crazy.
You're my mom now.
Yeah,
Imagine
her other
acting
mother
this
went
out.
to heaven.
Yeah.
Acting this out must have been crazy.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Here she goes.
She goes.
She's
Off
going
to
to heaven,
Oz.
She will not live through that ride.
You laughing at?
Just the Mia Morgan saying, "There she goes."
Oh,
Oh, thank
my
Wow.
goodness.
Wow.
Connor, I hated that. I'm never being on your channel again.
I'm
Is the
Oh my god.
show longer? Because Broadway shows are typically like 3 hours long.
I believe there is a lot that they cut and condensed.
Thank God.
what? What else?
Oh, it's not that long. It says approximately 2 hours and 20 minutes. So,
Okay.
wow.
All right, everybody, hit a thank you, Connor.
Huh?
Thanks,
for that.
Connor.
Thank you.
Thanks, Connor.
We are now virtual level.
Huh?
It's an hour and 49 that I will never get back.
You cut out, Morgan. What did you say?
I said we are now bonding on a spiritual level.
Yeah.
We are all Jellicle cats.
Yeah.
Okay, now I think I can say with confidence that is the last time I will ever watch that movie.
Little does he know.
Huh?
I would
The
love to see
first
the play
time-
now. I would
The
love to
first
see the
time was
play.
supposed to be.
I think I have the opposite sentiment of Taylor. Taylor said she wants to see the Broadway. I don't think I ever want to fucking hear about cats again.